My name's Scott Hurt, and we're going to do some bottling today. We're going to bottle some wine. I've got a dragon's blood that I've been working on for a couple of months, and we're in December, and now's the time to bottle. We've got some real cool bottles with our logo, and this is a holographic vinyl, and then we've got a dragon on the other side. Some of the bottles have a dragon with dragon's blood, and I did some etching over the summer. Not real happy the way the etching came out, but we're gonna bottle this wine. Get a little towel. I think this is all we're gonna need. At least that's the way it's been with the other bottlings that we've done. All right, so let's get started. See, oh yeah, it's coming up pretty quick. We're gonna slow that down. Maybe slow that down a little too much. I don't know if you can see it coming up. I'd rather have it very controlled. There we go. Fills the first bottle. That's pretty cool. I've done this a few times now. And what's funny is, really, after practicing the first time with water, I didn't need any more practice. And it fills them all to the same level. I can control the all-in-one wine pump with a vacuum knob they have here. It's like an adjustment knob, so that's pretty cool too. Now, I don't really have anything bad to say about this whole setup that I've gone to. Dragon's blood. I made some different labels, just playing around. You get into a little bit of a rhythm. I think this would go a lot faster if I turn it up a little bit, but I don't really see a need. I think things are going pretty well right now as it is. Cool. I've got way too much time on my hands. I think when you're making wine, you're always afraid of the catastrophe. It's like, what happens if something gets away from me and wine starts going everywhere? That was my fear when I started making wine, and especially when I started using new equipment, and it just doesn't work that way. With the all-in-one wine pump, everything is vacuum tight. All the hoses aren't going to come off. You have a good seal. All right, there we have it. We have our dragon's blood in bottles. This is going to be fun. Don't know if I will do this again with dragon's blood. But we're not done making wine. We have some wine in the back right now that we will bottle in the summer of 2023. Yeah, in the summer of 2023. Thanks for watching. You don't have to leave a comment or any thumbs up. I'm just doing this for fun.